Alright, what's up guys? Hope you're having an awesome day. I know it's been a while since I last posted, but we are making our way up to an event that we had planned this weekend, so I figured I'd bring the camera along. Cassie's over here with us. She's doing a bunch of driving, which is awesome. I've been working on some editing for past videos, and then we decided to stop at Best Buy, and we got another camera. We ended up getting a GoPro 8, so we'll see how well that works out. I haven't used that one. I've just been using the 7, so we will try it and see if it works better. Hopefully it does good. 7 has been great, but we're probably gonna go get some food and then get back on the road and go from there.
Hopefully my driving is good.
It's always amazing. It is top notch, so just make sure you're sleeping. Well guys, we made it several hours later. We are finally at our hotel room, or our cabin room. You excited?
Yeah.
Driving is over.
Starving.
We're gonna go get some grub. I forgot to mention earlier, we're actually up here for the deep freeze event that they have at Havoc area. So we're gonna go over to that and check that out. There's supposed to be some races as well as some open wheeling. So we'll be over there hanging out for that and seeing what that's all about. But should be a good weekend. I'm excited. It was a fun day driving.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're gonna go get some food. There wasn't too much with this video today. It was just kind of us driving and hanging out, but brought the camera along anyways so you guys could hang out with us. And stay tuned for the next video. It should be some wheeling and racing and hopefully some fun stuff. And as always, hit that like button if you liked the video and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you later. Peace.